Hi there, we are going to have a quick run through of Polly by Nirvana. We've decided to do it in drop D today. Not really sure if it is on the record or not, but we've decided to do like that. We're going to start off with an E5. So, first finger is going to go flat across the second fret. We're going to hit those. Give this a bit of welly. Okay, so we've got, that's our chord, and we're going to go down, down, up. Down, down, up. And then we're going to just slide that up to G, which is the 5th fret, and go down, up, down, up. So we're going to get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to make a A-shaped bar chord here and going to go down, up, down. That's 5, 7, 7. You can use your little finger if you prefer. So down, up, down, go down to a C and go up, up, down, up. So that second bit is, 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's your verse. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, and then we get the chorus. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Oh, sorry, that was D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G. B flat. So this is D, down, up, down, C, up, up, down, up. Then we're going to play the 5th fret, G, down, up, down, B flat, up, up, down, up. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe and the link, click the bell, and you'll get a notification when new videos are available every Saturday morning. Thanks, bye!